My name is Robbie Hurtt, and I'm a board-certified urologist. I'm a born and raised Arkansan. Grew up in Salem, Arkansas, just west of here, about 60 miles. Went to Fayetteville to college and medical school in Little Rock, and did my residency training in Jackson, Mississippi. And my wife and young child and I now live in between Conway and Little Rock, Arkansas. I grew up loving cars and working on cars, and so when I decided I wanted to go to medical school, I knew I wanted to do surgery of some type. And then I first saw the Da Vinci robot in action, and that's what drew me into the field of urology and what brought me to NEA Baptist. So I work for a large group in Little Rock, Arkansas Urology, and within that group there's a few of us that do a lot of robotic surgery. And we were seeing some patients from this area that were traveling down, and so we had the idea with NEA of coming to the patients instead of the other way around. And so we've formed a partnership, and I come here and operate and keep patients locally here instead of having to travel to central Arkansas. There's a huge shortage of urologists that tends to hit smaller cities more than big cities. And I also have a passion for aviation, and I'm a pilot. And so we thought, why not go to the patient instead of the patient having to come to us? And that's how this whole idea was born. I try to pride myself on communication as the key tenet of what I do. And oftentimes when I come here to see patients, they've already seen a urologist who's kind of talked to them about surgical options, and then I come in to go into detail about the surgery, but also the other treatment options, and to make sure the patient always knows that there are options. Other than aviation, I enjoy doing anything outside. I have a young child, and my wife and I, we love to travel and just be outside, and college football and all college sports we enjoy. As far as bucket list items go, my wife and I went to the South Pacific for our honeymoon to Bora Bora, which is in absolutely the middle of nowhere, but the most beautiful place I've ever been. That was a bucket list item. So if you ask any pilot about bucket list, it's almost always going to contain something about a faster airplane or an airplane that flies higher. So I suppose I would love to be able to get type rated and fly a jet at some point in my lifetime. I'd just like to say thank you to the community for welcoming me in. Thank you to NEA Baptist for the opportunity. This all boils down to serving patients, and we really feel like with the quality urologists that are here in this hospital full time that just don't do this particular type of surgery, that this is a great benefit for this community and the surrounding areas to keep care local. My name's Robbie Hurtt. As a board-certified urologist with Arkansas Urology, I'm here working with NEA Baptist to deliver the latest and best surgical care, especially involving the Da Vinci robot system. We would be happy to see you and help you with any minimally invasive surgical needs. Thank you.